In this lesson, we're going to discuss the concept of publishing. Publishing is simply taking the content that you've created and sending it over to the media players for playback. There are two methods of publishing content. One is called push and the other is called pull. Push publishing is intended for immediate transfer of content or manually publishing. Pull is designed so that the players check into the server on a user selectable interval and then pull the content in that's been approved or published. This is also called server sync publishing. So let's go ahead and start with the push method. Publishing can be initiated from a couple different areas in the software, so let's get into Composer. And then what we need to do is highlight a project, so I'll left click on this Demo University project, and as you can see the Publish Project button became available to you. So let's click that. And in the publishing window we have a couple different options. We have Publish to Server, and Publish directly to players is our push method. So let's make sure that's selected. Choose our Avalon unit to publish to, send it over to the Publish To section, and then we're going to hit Publish, connect to the unit, and then send over the content to that unit. And that is manually publishing it. I got a password on this one, so make sure that goes. And there you go. So sends over all the content and then drops the connection. What's great about this is once all your main project is over there, then any subsequent publishes, it's only going to send the changes. And this should be relatively quick here. And there you go. So publishing is now complete. So that was how you publish from the project view screen with our publish button here. So let's close that. Let's double click and get into our project, and we'll show you where the other publishing section is while you're inside a project. So you can highlight any page or be working on a crawl region, and you have the option to publish from up here in the top right of the window of WebSuite, and that brings you to the same publishing window as you did previously. So you just choose which player you'd like to publish to, bring that on over, and then hit your publish button, and then it initiates the publish sequence like it did from the project screen. One thing to note when using the push method is that the project you created in the cloud or on the ELS server is that content is then sent and stored in the browser cache. Because of this, it is necessary for that the PC that you're creating the content on be on the same network as your Avalon media players, or at least have those media players on an external IP address that can be reachable by this PC. And this concludes how to publish via the push method. In the next video we're going to be discussing how to use the pull method for publishing. For learning how to set up your Avalon media players on a network, please review the player management video lesson. Thank you.